Young boys and girls, where'er you be, come pay attention unto me, for it's in these few lines I have penned down, and it's all in praise of Lisburn town. Well, it happened to be in a harvest year when I roved at the day being clear, and when coming home these words I said, I am deep in love with the Lisburn maid. Well, she's handsome, tall and quite complete, like a Wexford girl from head to feet, and my heart does beat when I see her pass, for I am deep in love with the Lisburn Lass. Well, everything was going round until her parents made it frown. Until her parents made it frown, I was forced to list in Lisburn town. Well, Willie dear, this maid did say, what has tempted you for to go away? I have left my parents of higher renown for to go with you from Lisburn town. If ever I go this road, he said, by night or day, my pretty fair maid, I will get a round of high renown, and I'll go with you from Lisburn town. But 'twas after India I had to go, all for to fight and face their foe, not knowing when a ball may cut me down, and leave my love in Lisburn town. So it's fare thee well, father and mother too. Likewise, my darling, I bid adieu. These cruelly foe have cut me down, so goodbye, my love, and Lisburn.